Alright guys, in this really quick video, we're going to show you how to hook up right here your car to your Wi-Fi. So first of all, make sure your card's turned on. Then tap here, that's your home. From your home, go right into your settings. In your settings, you're going to see this Wi-Fi network. Again, if your Wi-Fi network in your house is not strong enough, it's not going to detect it. In this case, what I see is this one. It's pretty good. So we're going to go on. You're gonna have to type in your password. And once you type in your password, just put on confirm. So like I mentioned, it would be your password, just press on confirm. It's gonna connect up to your Wi-Fi. And by the way, this is different than hooking up your phone to your car. That's a different thing. You just need a cable and you hook it up. The cable for that is down here, for example. So this is for my iPhone, just hook that up, and that's CarPlay. Again, that's different than us hooking this up directly. Right now, don't have your phone hooked up to your car. So if you want this to work and you want to see the menu, do not have your phone hooked up to your car. But at this point, you guys can see this says connected. So there we go. The Wi-Fi signal is not that strong because mine's not that strong because we are outside the house. I'm not that close to it, but I'm close enough so I get some signal out of it. But anyways, as far as this video goes, that's it. Right now we're connected and we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.